Hi, Ward from LondonLuggage.com. This is called the Convertible Travel Tote by Briggs & Riley. The people who use it love it. It's for not everybody, but it's for a particular customer, typically a business customer. They like it because it has the ability to be just a regular carry-on. I say regular carry-on, I mean traditional. You can open it up, has the compartment, got a lot of bells and whistles. I'm not going to go through all the features. They've got a lot, and you can see them on our website. But the one feature that draws them to it is that it can be used as a backpack as well as just a regular carry-on, traditional carry-on. The backpack straps fold away underneath the padding. But if you use it as a backpack, you just throw it over. You can throw it over both shoulders or one shoulder. It's got some padding, and both arms are free. So for traveling, it works out really, really well. And again, you can put when you get to your place and you want to look a little bit more dressier or formal, you unsnap it, and then just put the straps back behind the padding, and then it's just a regular kind of carry-on. You can find this with all the features and customer reviews, and if you have any questions, give us a call, and you can find it at LondonLuggage.com. Thanks.